People know me as a saluting Marine for a salute that I've done for the last 15 years to honor veterans and patriots in a ride called Rolling Thunder. The first year I did that, I was stationed here at the Pentagon, and I was a partner with the Korean War Commemoration Committee. I thought, how could I thank all these people zooming by on their motorcycles? So I jumped out on the curb, popped up the salute. 4 hours later, they brushed me and said, "Thank you, Marine, for giving me my welcome home." A salute is the highest level of respect that you can display to another person. A lot of these men and women that were riding in the POW demonstration, they never got that. So why can't I salute them and give them that respect that in a lot of cases maybe they didn't get? There was nothing for them, and they marched forward. I proposed to my wife a few months back, and it just came to be that we could pull off the wedding right there where I salute, where I've dedicated a lot of my life to, really. You know, I might have said it jokingly that she could stand with me. She was definitely on board, you know, and when a widow reached out to her, gave her a hug, and said, "You're standing for me, Lorraine," it all came together. I didn't know when I jumped off the curb that first year what the impact was going to be until the end of that salute, and they all embraced me. To me, in my heart, it became like a moral post for me. You know, it gave me a duty, something that they need and something I can give them.